What is going on, aquatic family? Eric here with Aquascape Gods, and today we're doing an unboxing. Microbe-Lift sent us this amazing box. You're going to see me and Ryan unbox it in just a second. We've linked Microbe-Lift down below in the description, both their Instagram and their actual website. Go check them out. Updates coming on this tank. As you can see, not a ton has changed since the last time you saw it. The update on this tank will probably be out in like 2 weeks. You'll see the S-Rep bins kind of carpeted a little bit more. You'll see the fish that we chose, and I don't know if you can see on camera, but right here we got those rabbit snails. I transferred them from the tank over there into here, and they're doing a really good job at eating all of the dead plants, which is really cool. But back to the main point. Microbe-Lift sent us a box. It's really awesome. They're an awesome company, awesome people. Just from talking to them in the DMs on Instagram, I know that they're fantastic. I'm excited to try their products, and well, I want you guys to see what we got out of the box. So before we get started, I want to remind everybody to please like this video because it definitely helps with the YouTube algorithm. I want you to subscribe to our channel because 91% of you don't subscribe. What are we doing? You're watching the videos, subscribe. It's free. Do it. And then after you see the unboxing, comment down below and let us know which one of the Microbe-Lift products you're most excited to see. And I'll let you get to it. I'll see you at the end.
What's going on, aquatic family? My name is Ryan.
And I'm Eric.
And we're from the Aquascape Gods, and we also have a dog here. Very annoying, love her. But today we have a special video because we have a official influencer, Microbe-Lift. We reached out to this company because we've heard really good things about them, and we asked them if we could try any of their stuff, and they sent us this giant box. So here we are, we're gonna open it.
Yes, we are. And you, little one. Okay. All right. Do you have a scissor? Oh.
Ooh, you stabbed yourself?
You stabbed it. I can't do it.
Why do we have all the dogs here?
It's the most complicated part right there. All right. Oh my God.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Avocado plant.
Avocado down.
I'm gonna put this.
Okay. What is this? Oh. Okay. So
We have a giant tube box.
How do we open this?
I think is this salt?
Oh no, it's a lot of things. Okay.
Yeah, we got a box inside the box.
Oh yeah, I needed to wear
Yeah,
that.
me too, actually.
Nelly.
Nelly!
So
open
yeah. So neither one of these, thank you,
It's
Microbe.
Awesome siphon.
Siphon.
This is a night out 2 starter bacteria. I
Oh.
wish I knew about this about 30 minutes ago before I made my last tank, so that's nice.
Iron.
That's awesome. Iron
Hell
is
yeah.
always a great thing to have. Let's see, we got 2 of these special blend water care. It
No,
is
this
beneficial
is not
and
the same
cleans
thing.
water.
This
Is that the same thing as this? I need to do more research into this.
Yeah, this is therapy. I get it, therapy. It reduces loss, boosts growth, protects your population.
That's awesome. What is this? We got Bloom and Grow. It looks like some sort of a fertilizer. It's an all-in-one fertilizer. It's liquid fertilizer, and it always makes everything so much easier because you just gotta drop it in a couple of drops, and then you're good to go, and then your plants have all their nutrients. So that's pretty cool.
Yeah, and then this one is Microbe-Lift Extreme, which is water conditioner. Always need water conditioner.
And we have paper along with.
Oh, you needed that 10 minutes ago too.
Before my filter kind of almost exploded, and I needed to get all the towels that I had in the entire house and just start going crazy with it. And this is
Oh, it says
the
official.
official influencer.
Oh, that's awesome. And then they also sent us a note.
What?
Yeah. So
Is it handwritten?
yeah,
What?
handwritten.
That's awesome.
It says, Eric and Ryan, hope you enjoy your Microbe-Lift products. I know you will. If you do, give us a shout out on Insta.
We already got you right here.
Best, Abby.
Thank you, Abby and Richard.
Microbe-Lift. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for sponsoring today's video. Thank you for all these crazy products. You guys are amazing. This is fantastic. And I mean, just the whole thing. Wow. Thank you guys. And I'm Eric.
And I'm Ryan.
With the Aquascape Gods. We'll see you next time. Have a good day.
Peace.
All right, aquatic family, well, that was our Microbe-Lift unboxing. We are now an official influencer for Microbe-Lift, as you saw by the little chamois. We're really excited to be a part of their team, and we're really excited to work with them. Like I said, they've been really great just talking to them. I'm excited to check out their products and really get those used in the tanks. Let us know down in the comments what you're most excited for. Like the video, helps the algorithm, like the video, and subscribe to the channel. The 91% of you that think you're too good to subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the channel right now. Click the little, do it. Go ahead. Well, anyways, as always, I'm Eric with Aquascape Gods. Have a good day.